friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Karen Campbell. Now, if you're new to my channel, just to let you know, this is a mixed media art technique, art journaling, tutorial space where I like to fling gesso and my paint and got my brayer out and I'm making a big mess, making a lot of faces and animals, and I love that. And I also have been teaching a lot of drawing on this channel too. However, I've published a lot of drawing books and I feel like combining both the drawing and the mixed media on one channel is hard for me because I want to do so much of both. So, and if you're watching this as a returning subscriber, hi there, thank you so much for watching all my videos. I'm breaking off into 2 channels. I'm really excited. So this one, I'm gonna stay all mixed media art techniques all the time. Can go deep dive into art journaling. We're experimenting with the mess and the paint and the gelatos and all the stabilos and all the water soluble goodness and the mixed media hamburger system, which is bringing so much ease and success to people who are doing mixed media for the first time. It makes me so happy. So I have a lot of books and a lot of things that I can teach from, and that's gonna all stay on this channel, but I have a brand new channel that I'm dedicating just to drawing. And there we're gonna be doing all the whimsical fun fab faces, and we're gonna be doing fun fab figures. I'm introducing my new quadrant method, which I've developed, and my 6 students at the Fun Fab Drawing Club over at Awesome Art School and I have been having insane figure drawing success using this very, very simple system. So I want to roll out how to teach that. I have a new drawing book coming out in addition to the ones that I've already published, all on Art Deco drawing, and I have a new book coming out on the quadrant method, and all of that's going to be over on my new channel. So stay here, subscribe if you want all things mixed media, art journaling, mess making, mayhem, awesomeness. You want to click this circle right now on your screen and go over and come subscribe to my YouTube drawing channel if you want to learn drawing, shading, how to draw hair, how to draw bodies, whimsical animals, how to draw easily what you see. I will see you there. Thanks for watching every single week. Love you guys. Bye. See you next Friday.